Energy efficiency is a top priority for homeowners in Little Rock, where hot summers and chilly winters demand reliable temperature control. While many focus on windows and insulation, doors play a significant role in maintaining energy efficiency. Replacing old or inefficient doors can make a dramatic difference in your home's comfort, utility bills, and environmental impact. Let's explore how door replacement can improve your home's energy efficiency and why it's a smart investment for Little Rock homeowners. Eliminating drafts and air leaks. One of the primary ways doors affect energy efficiency is through air leaks. Over time, doors may warp, crack, or lose their sealing properties, allowing outside air to enter and conditioned air to escape. This leads to higher energy costs. Your HVAC system has to work harder to maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Reduced comfort. Drafts create hot spots in summer and cold zones in winter. New doors, equipped with advanced weather stripping and tight seals, eliminate these air leaks. Fiberglass and steel doors are particularly effective, as they resist warping and maintain their fit over time. Enhanced insulation. And modern doors are built with energy efficiency in mind, offering superior insulation compared to older models. Features such as foam cores. Insulated cores in fiberglass and steel doors help minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Double or triple pane glass. For doors with glass inserts, double or triple pane glass with low E coatings enhances insulation and reduces energy loss. For Little Rock's varying climate, these features are essential to maintaining a comfortable and energy-efficient home. Reflecting heat with low E glass. If your current doors have glass inserts, they might be contributing to unwanted heat gain or loss. Modern replacement doors with low E, low emissivity glass help regulate indoor temperatures by reflecting heat. In summer, low E coatings reflect infrared heat, keeping your home cooler. Retaining heat. In winter, the same coatings prevent heat from escaping, reducing energy usage. This feature is particularly valuable in Little Rock, where seasonal temperature swings can put a strain on your HVAC system. Improved weather resistance. Little Rock's weather can range from humid summers to occasional storms. Older doors, especially wooden ones, can absorb moisture and warp, leading to gaps and inefficiencies. Replacement doors made from durable materials like fiberglass or steel offer moisture resistance, preventing swelling and warping, which ensures a tight seal. Durability. Standing up to wind, rain, and temperature changes without degrading. By maintaining their structural integrity, these doors contribute to consistent energy efficiency year after year. Reducing noise pollution. While not directly related to energy costs, new doors with better insulation and seals also reduce noise pollution. This is especially important in busy neighborhoods or areas near highways in Little Rock. Quieter indoor spaces create a more comfortable and enjoyable home environment. Lowering carbon footprint. Energy-efficient doors do more than lower your utility bills, they also reduce your carbon footprint. By requiring less energy to heat or cool your home, you contribute to a more sustainable future. This benefit is particularly relevant for eco-conscious homeowners looking to align their choices with environmental values. Boosting curb appeal and property value. Replacing your doors doesn't just save energy, it also enhances your home's appearance and market value. A modern, stylish door creates a positive first impression and adds character to your property. Prospective buyers in Little Rock often prioritize energy efficiency, making new doors a strong selling point. Choosing the right replacement door. When selecting a replacement door, consider the following. Material. Fiberglass offers excellent insulation, durability, and resistance to warping. Steel. Highly secure and energy efficient, with foam core insulation. Wood. Aesthetic and traditional but requires more maintenance and may not be as energy efficient. Glass inserts. Opt for low-E or energy-efficient glass to maximize insulation and minimize heat transfer. Professional installation. Even the best doors can lose efficiency if improperly installed. Work with a professional installer to ensure a perfect fit and seal. Conclusion. Replacing your doors is a smart and impactful way to improve your home's energy efficiency in Little Rock. Modern doors offer better insulation, eliminate drafts, and enhance weather resistance, making your home more comfortable and energy efficient year-round. Additionally, the aesthetic appeal and increased property value that come with a stylish new door make this upgrade a win-win investment. If you're ready to enhance your home's energy efficiency and curb appeal, consider replacing your doors. With the right choice, you can enjoy a more sustainable, cost-effective, and beautiful living space tailored to Little Rock's unique climate.